Good morning. We are currently... I'm filming me, not you. And she shuts the door. Light!
I'm changing my tampon. I don't want people seeing the door.
I don't think they want to see that either. You want to say? Say hi, Fred. Fred, I shall be your captain today. Fred's sporting a very lovely Chanel scarf. We have no idea if it's Chanel, it's probably not. Chanel, it's a Chanel scarf. Yes, and he's supporting a very lovely captain's hat. Fred is technically in a long distance relationship with a woman back home. Who's called, what's she called? I can't remember what she's called. She's called, oh, I can't remember what she's called, but my parents...
She's called Deirdre.
Yeah, no, my parents have another Fred, but a woman version, and a very elegant woman. And these two used to sit side by side. So they now, well, basically he sits down here and she sits there. And
now people think you're from a mental home.
He doesn't use Skype, so they can't talk to each other. So they're a long distance couple that don't ever talk. But she's a 1950s girl, so she's lovely.
I normally dress him up every time I come down here.
Well, Fred's head's getting bigger. He's called Fred because, we don't know, I got him from... She filming like that? He's called Fred.
Filming like that's better, you can see the whole person.
I don't know why we decided to call him Fred, but we called him Fred.
So
we've had him a few years now.
What one's you putting on?
It's very house trained, very good. I'm putting grey ones on. Okay, so Toby is suiting and booting.
And these are Becca's ones for the kids. They only just fit around my calf.
Yeah, they're my baby ones. Fred's not helping, he's just watching.
Oh, these. The other one was easy.
Was that a queef?
It's true, you have one foot bigger than the other, don't you? And this is Becca putting her welly boots on.
These used to be my dad's. Oh my god. And literally, they are like the ones that fishermen use in the fish shops. That wasn't me.
I'm very stylish. Look at Becca. They are so fashionable, it's unbelievable.
I know. I'm setting a trend here, ladies and gentlemen. Setting a trend.
Huh?
Hashtag vecandtones setting a trend.
My ones look nice. I could have worn them ones, but I really don't like long boots.
There she is. We are now on the beach. There she is. As you can see, lovely stony beach. Seaside! Whee! Tony! Seaside. Right, we're going to try, don't fall down, we're going to try to adventure into the sea. We're going to cast ourselves away. Beautiful scenery down there. So it is Thursday of our adventure, our trip.
Going home on Saturday.
We're going home on Saturday because I'm working on Sunday. Yay. As you can see, we're now going to venture out to that. As you can walk this way.
Cat to that, over there.
Yeah, we're going to walk out to that thing. Can you see it? That thing over there. It is absolutely beautiful walking out here like this. I think I might stop so we can film some of the front of us and so you can see what we see.
I'm not going that far. I'm not going far.
Alright then.
I can feel that. Oh, I'm stuck.
We are really venturing into water now. Look at this. And I hope these haven't got a hole in because I haven't. Because I haven't used this for a while. I should have bought a stick.
Right. Becca, Saunders.
Yes.
Oh, I've just said your name.
Tony Beers.
Right. What are you making us when we're getting?
I am making us. Now this is where my gourmet chef comes out.
That's a nice picture.
I'm making us bacon.
Now Becca looks like she's doing news.
On today's news, we're standing here in the glorious seaside. Today's cookery programme. We're not making me baking on the beach with a pile of bird shit down there. I'll be making it back at our little flat we got over there. I'll be making us bacon, mushrooms, and onions on ciabatta bread. You know, so it'll be like a fucking meaty ass
But the final
sandwich.
question: do you have tomato sauce?
We don't know if we've got tomato ketchup, which I'm going to be extremely. If we haven't.
What about brown sauce?
Do you guys like brown sauce on your
I
bacon
like salad
butties? I
cream
don't.
on
Oh,
chips.
well, chips, yeah, they're alright, but not on your bacon butty.
Oh, not salad cream on bacon butty.
So, potentially, you see all this out here, see all this, see all this. No man, nor beast, apart from that beast there, that little beast right there. No man, nor beast has walked out here. Ever.
Yeah, right.
We are the first. We are literally the first female lesbian couple to walk out on this.
On the beach.
No man, nor beast, apart from the seagulls, have fornicated, have been on this solid
We
ground.
have seen loads of people have sex
Yes.
in Brighton on the beach.
Yes. No lesbian couple apart from us now have
Da, da,
walking on
da.
here. So we are breaking ground here, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking
We are
ground.
Breaking Bad. We normally have fish and chips, and Becca normally throws the chips at the seagulls, wasting our money. But we're probably going to have that on Saturday before we leave.
See, we get
Then we get all sad because we're leaving.
We get graced by a lovely waterfall over there. Lovely little waterfall.
Oh, I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it's the sea.
This is our bath for later. They probably can't see that, it's too far away.
Tony doesn't like filming herself.
Star jump.
She's very camera shy these days.
Right, come on.
Walk with me.
Walk with me.
Walk this way. Talk this way. Can you see the little? Where are they? Little. We get a good one. Tony's attached to the camera. Come here, over here, over here. Can you see these? These? The poop of the sand poops itself. Everyone has to go to the toilet, so should
That's
sand.
why you should have your little bucket.
You don't want to tread in the sand poops because they.
Sand poops is alright.
No fucking dirt!
At least if you out here, you need a piece of something. You just go.
If you're a bloke, yeah, imagine being a go, right? Scary Mode's going to take the pants
People
down.
do actually.
It is really windy out today, so we're really sorry if you can't hear very well. water's edge. Oh God, we are at the water's edge there. I'm now going to depart and leave Tony to it.
From Kent to water's edge.
We've walked for 3 days now and we have found water's edge. It was a long trip.
Do you remember the beach?
Survived.
Island. His best friend was the bull.
That's not us. We don't have a best friend as well. The seagulls don't want to integrate with us.
Yeah, we have Fred.
Because we are lesbians. They do not like lesbians. If you go to a beach, seagulls specifically hate lesbians. Those homophobic
They just want to be us.
bastards. Well, there is a song, Lesbians, Seagulls, Seagulls. You probably can't hear a word we're saying.
I'm dyeing back his hair later.
She is! After we have our bacon sandwich. This beast right here, look at that cousin here. This beast right here. Look,
It always makes a change because it's
look at my
feet
comb over. It's my comb over sexy. Look at that. I look like a proper stereotype. I had the whole bit in your face as well. Let me just ask the best question in the world. My hair's doing all of this.
L'Oreal.
Yeah. And she just went to me, how come my hair's not doing what yours is
Mine
doing?
normally does.
Can you see what her hair is wrapped in?
There.
Yo, blood, we make videos. We make videos on the beach, yeah, you know. It's hardcore beaches. People are probably looking at us like, what the fuck are those two? I look like a granny, yeah. It's like, oh my dear, it is cold out here. I do say. You got to kind of have like the in between, like that kind of look. Like that it's not sitting on my head, but it is. My Russian bride, ladies and gentlemen.